The war in the Middle East has reached unprecedented levels. Iran is slowly dragging more countries into the conflict. And as time goes by, things might only get worse. And there is only one military might in the world that can topple this evil regime, the mighty US military. So today we're going to break down the military arsenal of Iran and the United States, from ballistic missiles and drones to fighter jets and military troops. Who will eventually come out victorious? Welcome to Lab 360, it's time to explore. Iran has built one of the largest missile arsenals in the Middle East, focusing heavily on asymmetric warfare and regional deterrence. Meanwhile, the United States maintains the most technologically advanced and globally deployed military force on Earth, followed by Russia and China. Let's start with Iran. Iran maintains one of the largest militaries in the Middle East. According to international defense assessments, Iran has around 610,000 active duty personnel. This includes roughly 350,000 troops in the regular army, and about 190,000 members of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, also known as the IRGC. In addition to active forces, Iran has approximately 350,000 reservists, bringing its total potential manpower to nearly 1 million troops. Iran's military is divided into several branches. The Artesh, which is the regular army. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps or IRGC. The IRGC Navy and Aerospace Force and Basij Paramilitary Militia. The IRGC plays a major role in missile programs, drone warfare, and regional operations. So let's take a look at Iran's missile stockpile. Ballistic missiles. Iran's greatest military strength is its ballistic missile arsenal. Defense analysts say Iran possesses the largest and most diverse missile inventory in the Middle East, with thousands of ballistic and cruise missiles. Some of Iran's most notable missile systems include Shahab-3, which is a medium-range ballistic missile with a range of around 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers. Sejal, which is a solid-fuel medium-range ballistic missile. Fateh 110, which is a short-range tactical missile used for precision strikes. Khorramshahr is a long-range ballistic missile capable of carrying large warheads. Fateh hypersonic missile is a new system claimed by Iran to travel at hypersonic speeds. Many of these missiles can reach targets across the Middle East and parts of southeastern Europe. Iran also maintains underground missile bases known as missile cities, designed to protect launch systems from airstrikes. This is exactly what the US is aiming to destroy, and has also achieved some amounts of success in this regard. Drone arsenal. Iran has also become a major drone power. Its drone program includes reconnaissance UAVs, strike drones, and loitering munitions. Some of the most well-known Iranian drones include Shahid 136 is a long-range kamikaze drone used in swarm attacks. Shahid 129 is a medium-altitude long-endurance combat drone. Mohajer series are a line of surveillance and strike drones. Ababil drones are used for reconnaissance and attack missions. Iran reportedly inducted around 1,000 new drones during military exercises in 2025, highlighting how central unmanned systems have become to its strategy. These drones are relatively inexpensive but can be deployed in large numbers. In total, Iran has launched 500 missiles and 2,000 drones during the first 4 days of hostilities, according to sources from the US military. Fighter jets. Iran's air force is relatively outdated compared to Western powers, mainly due to decades of international sanctions. The country operates an estimated 230 fighter jets, many dating back to the 1970s and 1980s. Some of the aircraft in Iran's fleet include F-14 Tomcat interceptors, F-4 Phantom II fighter bombers, F-5 Tiger II light fighters, MiG-29 Fulcrum fighters from Russia, Su-24 strike aircraft, and domestically produced jets like the Sikh and Kausar. While these aircraft are aging, Iran compensates with missiles, air defenses, and drones. Ground forces. On land, Iran operates a large conventional army. Its ground forces include over 1,500 main battle tanks and thousands of armored vehicles. Nearly 7,000 artillery systems including rocket launchers and howitzers. Iran's doctrine emphasizes defensive warfare and regional deterrence rather than global power projection. Now let's compare that with the United States military, widely considered the most powerful military in the entire world. The United States possesses one of the most powerful and technologically advanced military arsenals in the world. Built over decades of innovation, strategy, and defense planning, the U.S. military maintains a vast range of weapons, vehicles, and systems designed to operate across land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace. From nuclear deterrence to cutting-edge fighter jets, the American arsenal is designed not only to fight wars but also to prevent them by demonstrating overwhelming capability. Talking about military personnel, the United States has approximately 1.3 million active duty personnel and around 800,000 reservists, giving it over 2 million service members available during mobilization. Its military is divided into several branches: the U.S. Army, the U.S. Navy, the U.S. Air Force, the Marine Corps, the Space Force and the Coast Guard. Ballistic missiles. The United States possesses one of the world's largest and most advanced missile arsenals. Its nuclear deterrent includes 400 Minuteman III intercontinental ballistic missiles deployed in underground silos across the United States. Operational since 1970, these missiles are positioned in heavily fortified silos across Wyoming, Montana, and North Dakota. They can strike targets more than 6,000 miles away and reach speeds greater than 15,000 miles per hour, roughly Mach 23. The U.S. also fields thousands of cruise missiles and precision-guided weapons, including systems launched from submarines, bombers, ships, and aircraft. Drone fleet. The United States is also the global leader in military drone technology. The U.S. Department of Defense operates over 11,000 drones, ranging from small reconnaissance quadcopters to large combat drones. Famous American drone platforms include MQ-9 Reaper strike drones, MQ-1 Predator surveillance drones, RQ-4 Global Hawk high-altitude reconnaissance drones. These drones play major roles in surveillance, intelligence gathering, and precision strikes. Fighter jets and air power. The United States also has the largest and most advanced air force in the world. The U.S. military operates over 13,000 military aircraft, including fighters, bombers, transport aircraft, and helicopters. Some of its most advanced fighter jets include F-22 Raptor stealth air superiority fighters, F-35 Lightning II 5th generation multi-role stealth fighters, F-15 Eagle and F-15EX heavy fighters, F-16 Fighting Falcon multi-role aircrafts, F-A-18 Super Hornet naval fighters. The U.S. military operates a wide range of specialized helicopters designed for attack, utility, and heavy-lift operations. As of late 2024, the U.S. Army alone maintains more than 4,000 active combat helicopters. Notable aircraft in this fleet include the Boeing AH-64 Apache for attack missions, the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk for utility roles, the CH-47 Chinook for transport operations, and the heavy-lift Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion. The U.S. also operates strategic bombers like the B-52 Stratofortress, capable of carrying nuclear and conventional weapons. Long-range bombers like the B-2 Spirit can penetrate heavily defended airspace and deliver both conventional and nuclear payloads with remarkable accuracy. Naval power. Another major advantage for the United States is its Navy. The U.S. Navy operates 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, more than any other country in the world, 10 Nimitz-class and 1 Gerald R. Ford-class, as of early 2026. These massive floating airbases can deploy dozens of aircraft anywhere across the globe, providing rapid power projection during crises. Carrier strike groups, consisting of destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and supply ships, accompany these carriers to provide defense and logistical support. The Navy also operates a large fleet of guided missile destroyers and submarines, equipped with advanced radar systems and long-range cruise missiles capable of striking targets deep inland, like the Iris Dina, that was sunk by a U.S. submarine in a torpedo track in the Indian Ocean near Sri Lanka. Ground forces. On the ground, the U.S. Army maintains a formidable array of tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, and missile platforms. The M1A2 Abrams main battle tank is widely regarded as one of the most powerful tanks ever built, combining heavy armor with a powerful cannon and advanced targeting systems. Infantry fighting vehicles such as the Bradley provide mobility and protection for troops, while long-range artillery systems can strike targets dozens of miles away with precision-guided munitions. In recent years, the Army has also invested heavily in modern missile systems capable of hitting targets hundreds of miles away. Missile defense systems. Another critical component of the U.S. arsenal is its missile defense and precision strike capability. Ground-based midcourse defense, GMD, built to defend the U.S. homeland against limited intercontinental ballistic missile attacks, this system uses interceptor missiles based in Alaska and California. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD, a mobile and battle-tested system designed to intercept short to intermediate-range ballistic missiles both inside and outside Earth's atmosphere. As of 2026, the U.S. Army operates 8 THAAD batteries. Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense, BMD, a naval-based system, with some land installations, that commonly uses SM-3 interceptor missiles to destroy medium-range ballistic missiles during their mid-course flight phase. Patriot Advanced Capability, PAC-3, a short-range defense system built to counter cruise missiles, drones, and hostile aircraft. And TPY-2 radar, an advanced high-resolution radar that supports THAAD operations and can detect and track potential threats from distances of up to 3,000 kilometers. Laser weapons. The U.S. military, especially the Navy, has begun deploying operational high-energy laser weapons such as the 60 to 150 kilowatts Helios system. Mounted on ships, these lasers are designed to defend against drones and small boats. They can neutralize targets at the speed of light at an extremely low cost, around $1 per shot, and are currently used for counter-UAS, unmanned aircraft systems missions, while further testing continues for future missile defense applications under programs like HELCAP. Nuclear warheads. The United States is said to possess around 5,177 to 5,277 warheads in its nuclear arsenal. The country maintains a nuclear triad consisting of land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, and nuclear-capable strategic bombers. This three-part system ensures that the United States can respond to any nuclear threat even if one or two components are compromised. Land-based missiles are stored in hardened silos across several states and are capable of traveling thousands of miles within minutes. Meanwhile, nuclear submarines patrol the oceans in secrecy, carrying ballistic missiles that provide a stealthy second strike capability. Strategic bombers add flexibility, as they can be deployed, recalled, or redirected during a crisis. In conclusion, when comparing the two militaries, the differences are clear. Iran focuses on missiles, drones, and regional deterrence, building capabilities designed to counter stronger powers through asymmetric warfare. The United States, on the other hand, maintains a massive global military network with advanced technology, stealth aircraft, aircraft carriers, and nuclear weapons. In terms of technology, global reach, and overall military power, the United States is the clear winner. Still, the Iranian military is holding its own with its homemade drones and ballistic missiles, and definitely giving the US military a run for their money. But who do you think will emerge victorious from war? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest UFO sightings and revelations in space exploration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.